We are doing exercise 14.1 class 7 maths ncert. This is chapter symmetry. Symmetrical figures are those figures which can be divided into two equal parts, or the line of symmetry, where we can draw a line in a figure that it can be divided into two equal parts, is called two equal and same part is called symmetrical figure. Now in question number 1, copy the figure with punch holes and find the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means you have to draw a line. तो ये फर्स्ट फिगर दी है जिसमें लाइन मैंने ड्रॉ की हुई है. तो दिस टाइप लाइन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ टू डिवाइड द फिगर इनटू टू पार्ट्स. तो ए फिगर में ये इस तरीके की लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. इन बी फिगर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ this line so that it will be divided equally. In third figure we will draw this line. This is horizontal and you can see the holes are equally divided both sides. Now in D, by the holes you have to draw the line so that equal parts should be divided. In D part you will draw this line. In E there are four lines. Four lines can be drawn in this figure. This type you have to draw line in E so that it will be divided. Four lines of symmetry this figure has. In F only one line can be drawn which is vertical so that the figure is divisible into two parts. In G you can draw only one line which is vertical and the figure is divided into two parts. In H you can draw a horizontal line so the figure will be divided into two parts. In L, in I you can draw vertical line. In J both lines can be drawn vertical and horizontal. This figure has two lines of symmetry. In K figure you can draw four lines of symmetry, one horizontal, one vertical and two which are making cross to each other. In L only one line you can draw. Now question number 2, give the line of symmetry, find the other hole. So this black one is the question figure and the yellow one is the answer figure. Here you can see in this one hole is given, other hole should be there. To find the line of symmetry, other hole should be there. So this figure you have to draw like this. In this figure one, the black one is your question figure and answer figure will be of yellow color. तो एक होल अगर यहाँ पे है तो दूसरा होल येलो फिगर में सेकेंड साइड पे होगा. In C you can see that the hole is on the left side, so the next hole is on the right side. In D you can see it is on the left side, so next hole on the right side to make the figure symmetrical about the line. In E part you can see the hole is given on the right side, so it will be on the left side, so make it horizontal to make it symmetrical about the line segment. Now in question number 3, in the following figures the mirror line is given as a dotted line. मतलब एक मिरर लाइन दी हुई है और उसको हमें मान के, उस डॉटेड लाइन को मिरर मान के फिगर को कंप्लीट करना है. जैसे कि ये है, ब्लैक कलर का ये दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन और येलो कलर का हमने इसकी इमेज फुल ड्रॉ की है. इसमें जो है हाफ पार्ट दिया हुआ है तो उसको फुल किया है, तो ये बन गया एक रेक्टेंगल. इन बी हाफ ट्राइंगल इज गिवन. अगर हम उसको मिरर लाइन मान के रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे तो एक ट्राइंगल बनेगा. इन सी पार्ट इट इज़ हाफ ट्राइंगल इज गिवन. व्हेन वी रिफ्लेक्ट वी विल गेट अ rhombus. और in D part there is a half circle. When we reflect it will become full circle. In E you can see half pentagon is given. Now it will become full pentagon. In F you can see half octagon is given. When we reflect it will become full octagon. In F part the following figures have more than one line of symmetry. Such figures are as follows. तो ऐसी लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री, ये तो क्वेश्चन में फिगर दी हुई हैं, इनको ड्रॉ करना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. एग्जाम्पल में दिया हुआ है कि दीज फिगर्स आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस. नाउ दीज आर द क्वेश्चन फिगर। ये फर्स्ट फिगर है, इसमें आप लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करेंगे so that the all the line of symmetry makes the figure symmetrical about the line. In B figure you have to draw this type, one vertical and one horizontal. In C there should be 3 lines of symmetry. In D there are 2 lines of symmetry, only cross can be drawn, no other line of symmetry can be drawn here. In E there are, you can draw 4 lines of symmetry because this figure is symmetrical about 4 lines. So here we will draw 4 lines of symmetry in this. In F only 1 line of symmetry can be drawn. In G part you can draw 4 lines, one vertical, one horizontal and 2 lines which are making cross. In H you can see there are, I have drawn 6 lines of symmetry, so you have to make 6 lines properly by drawing the figure so that you can draw 6 lines. Now thanks for watching. Like, share and share with your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell for the recent updates.